Let's make some cream roast chicken in the air fryer. 1 tablespoon of thick yogurt, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons cream, teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, half teaspoon red chili flakes, black pepper, 1 teaspoon dry basil, little bit of dry parsley, little bit of Cajun seasoning, little bit of oregano or lime juice, 2 tablespoons oil. Mix everything. 8 chicken legs. Make some cuts in the chicken legs. Marinate this for at least an hour. Place your chicken in the air fryer. It will go in the air fryer for about 20 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. It's been 20 minutes. Put it back in the air fryer for about 10 more minutes and we'll see.